Welcome back to Car Alerts. Today we're diving deep into one of the most popular compact SUVs on the market, the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Known for its stylish design, premium interior, and engaging driving experience, this latest model brings a fresh set of updates while maintaining its signature appeal. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a weekend road trip companion, or a family-friendly crossover, the CX-5 promises a well-rounded package. Let's take a detailed look at everything this SUV has to offer. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues its tradition of elegant styling with subtle refinements that make it even more appealing. The front fascia features an updated grille with a more sculpted design, framed by slim LED headlights that now come with adaptive lighting technology for enhanced visibility at night. The signature Mazda wing design extends into the headlights, giving it an aggressive yet refined look. The front bumper has been slightly reshaped to improve aerodynamics while maintaining a bold presence on the road. The hood retains its sculpted creases, adding to the sporty stance of the CX-5. Moving to the side profile, the smooth lines and balanced proportions remain a key highlight. Mazda has slightly tweaked the character lines to create a more flowing appearance, accentuating the SUV's dynamic feel. The black cladding around the wheel arches gives it a subtle rugged touch, while new alloy wheel designs, available in sizes ranging from 17 to 19 inches, offer a fresh look. A sleek chrome trim runs along the window line, adding a premium touch. The side mirrors are now aerodynamically optimized and come with integrated turn signals. Mazda has also enhanced the paint selection, offering new color options like zircon sand metallic and artisan red, both of which bring out the CX-5's elegant curves beautifully. At the rear, the updates are equally impressive. The taillights have been redesigned with a sleeker LED signature, creating a sharper and more modern look. The rear bumper has been slightly reworked to improve aerodynamics, while the dual exhaust tips add a sporty character. The tailgate retains its practical wide opening, making loading and unloading cargo more convenient. A subtle roof spoiler complements the SUV's sporty nature while aiding aerodynamics. The overall design ensures that the CX-5 remains one of the most stylish crossovers in its class, effortlessly blending sophistication with athleticism. Interior. Stepping inside, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to impress with its refined and driver-focused interior. Mazda has always emphasized a premium cabin experience, and this model takes it a step further. The dashboard features high-quality materials, with soft touch surfaces and real wood or aluminum trim accents, depending on the trim level. The seats have been redesigned for improved comfort, offering better support for long drives. The available Napa leather upholstery and higher trims adds a touch of luxury, while even the base model comes with high-quality synthetic leather. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated infotainment system. A 10.25-inch touchscreen now comes standard, featuring an improved user interface with faster response times and better graphics. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both wireless, making connectivity seamless. The system also includes an upgraded Bose premium audio system with 12 speakers for an immersive sound experience. The digital instrument cluster has been updated to offer more customization, providing real-time driving information in a crisp, clear display. Mazda has also focused on practicality and convenience. The center console has been redesigned with better storage solutions, and the rear seats now offer increased legroom, thanks to slight adjustments in cabin layout. The cargo space remains competitive, with around 30 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to over 59 cubic feet with the seats folded down. The power liftgate, available on higher trims, adds convenience when loading groceries or luggage. Dual-zone climate control, ventilated front seats, and a heated steering wheel further enhance comfort. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 retains its trusted powertrain options, but with some refinements for better efficiency and performance. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces around 187 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque, offering a balanced mix of power and fuel economy. For those looking for more excitement, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers an impressive 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive shifts. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system comes standard across all trims, ensuring excellent traction in various driving conditions. The system continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts power distribution to optimize stability and handling. Mazda has also refined the suspension for a more comfortable ride while maintaining the CX-5 signature sporty handling. The steering remains precise, making the CX-5 one of the most engaging crossovers to drive. Fuel efficiency is respectable, with the base engine achieving around 26 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway, while the turbo variant slightly reduces those numbers due to the increased power output. When it comes to safety, Mazda has equipped the CX-5 with an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. The iActive Sense safety package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. The automatic emergency braking system now includes pedestrian and cyclist detection, enhancing overall safety. Mazda has also improved the 360-degree camera system, providing a clearer view for parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The CX-5 continues to score high in crash tests, making it a reliable choice for families and safety-conscious buyers. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains competitive within the segment. The base model starts at around $29,000, offering a great value proposition with its premium features and stylish design. The mid-range trims, such as the Preferred and Premium, range from $32,000 to $36,000, adding more luxury and technology. The top-tier Turbo Signature trim, which includes the turbocharged engine, Napa leather, and all the advanced features, is priced at approximately $41,000. Considering the level of refinement, performance, and safety features, the CX-5 remains one of the best choices in its class. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to set a high standard in the compact SUV market. With its stylish design, premium interior, engaging driving dynamics, and strong value proposition, it remains a top contender for buyers looking for a well-rounded vehicle. Mazda has successfully enhanced its winning formula, making subtle yet impactful improvements that keep the CX-5 competitive. Whether you prioritize comfort, technology, or driving pleasure, this SUV delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a crossover that offers both excitement and practicality, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 should definitely be on your list. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Let us know in the comments what you think about this latest model. Is it the best compact SUV for 2025? Would you choose it over the competition? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car Alerts for more in-depth car reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.